Before buying a stovetop pressure cooker, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Tefal Clipso Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. At around $99, this thing caught my eye with its sleek silver design and impressive 6.3 quart capacity. If you want quick, healthy meals without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product solves your problem. You can cook up to twice as fast while preserving flavors and nutrients, which means dinner is ready in no time. The premium stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the 5-point safety system gives you peace of mind while cooking. Plus, the easy open lid and adjustable pressure valve let you control steam release like a pro, so no more chasing after tiny weights. With 300 plus sold just this month, it's clearly getting attention. Now, some people complained about the weight of the lid making it a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the safety features and cooking speed far outweigh this minor inconvenience. It's a trade-off for those who prioritize safety and efficiency. This is perfect for you if you frequently cook for family or love meal prepping. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight for occasional use. For just under $100, it really delivers on value. Now, if the weight of the Tefal bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Presto 01264 6-quart aluminum cooker, priced at about $56. I noticed its sturdy aluminum build and 6-quart capacity, making it a solid choice for home cooks. If you want a reliable cooker that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. This Presto model is all about speed and efficiency. It helps tenderize even the toughest cuts of meat and cooks chicken, fish, and veggies to perfection in no time. The pressure regulator automatically maintains proper cooking pressure, so you don't have to guess. Plus, it has a cover lock indicator to keep you safe while cooking. With 300 plus units sold recently, it's clearly a trusted choice. On the downside, some users mentioned that it can warp over time with high heat, but here's my take. As long as you follow the instructions and avoid extreme temperatures, it should serve you well for years. It's not a deal breaker if you handle it with care. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers quality meals. Skip this one if you prefer all stainless steel cookware. For the price, it's a real steal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer stainless steel.
Product number 3, Presto 01362 Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker. Moving on, we have the Presto 01362 6-quart stainless steel pressure cooker, priced at about $99. Its shiny silver and black design instantly stands out. If you're looking for something that's both stylish and efficient, this is worth a look. This cooker offers the same capacity as the previous one, but with a durable stainless steel body. You can cook a variety of dishes quickly while preserving flavors, and it's compatible with all stovetops, including induction. The automatic pressure regulator makes cooking stress-free, while the dishwasher safe feature means cleanup is a breeze. With 300 plus sold this month, it's clearly gaining popularity. However, some users found the locking lid a bit tricky to use at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. It's a minor learning curve for a product that performs so well. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, multifunctional cooker that makes life easier. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter aluminum model. For its price and features, it offers great value. Now, if the lid issue is a deal breaker for you, let's check out a different design.
Product number 4, IM USA 4.2 quart aluminum pressure cooker, priced around $49.40. This compact cooker caught my attention with its sleek, glossy finish. If you're after something lightweight and efficient, this could be the one for you. With a 4.2 quart capacity, it's perfect for moderate-sized meals, speeding up cooking times for beans, soups, and tenderizing meats. The cool touch handle and automatic pressure regulator make it user-friendly and safe. Plus, the mirror-polished exterior is not just about looks, it also helps with even cooking. With over 100 units sold just this month, it's definitely popular among home cooks. However, some buyers noted concerns about the durability compared to stainless steel models. But look, if you're not planning on heavy use, this one is cost-effective and performs well for everyday cooking. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, budget-friendly option for quick meals. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty cooking. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit larger and more durable, let's check out our final product.
So, there you have it. From the Tefal Clipso for speedy meals to the Prestige Alpha Deluxe for those who prioritize safety and innovation. Each of these stovetop pressure cookers has its unique strengths. Consider your cooking habits and needs to find the perfect fit for you.